So you've been doing it this way since 1890.
Yep. That's just when we were established too, so we were actually doing it a little bit before that.
Sure.
I was necessary.
Is there a quota? Do you have to do a certain amount in the day?
Just try to do the most. I mean, a big thing here in general is quality over quantity.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to for sure make them look good because
Yeah.
that's the tradition. Old school chocolate.
You never know if it's somebody's first meltdoing,
Yeah,
right?
for sure.
Yeah.
We're a big, we're just word of mouth, you know. That's
Yeah.
kind of how our business thrives. So it's really neat.
Old fashioned.
Yep.
Whenever I bake, though, I gotta say, it never turned out exactly right. And it's like, do you ever just have a batch where you're like, oh, I don't know, something's just not right?
Well, yeah. So the temperature of the room, the humidity outside, everything affects the chocolate. So it can actually bloom, and it can look a little has a little white in it, but it's actually just the chocolate and sugar separation. Nothing's wrong with it, but temperature affects everything with chocolate.
Right.
So, but it all tastes the same.
You never saw me